guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maliah if you guys are new here, and if you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you guys can be notified every single time I post a new video. In today's video, I kind of wanted to do a monthly reset, y'all. Since I've never done a video like this before, I thought this is the perfect time to start. You know, we're getting into September, we're getting into the fall and everything of it. So I did go ahead and make a list of things that I want to do physically and also to do in my room and stuff. Also, y'all, I took off my nails yesterday. You guys can kind of see, but yeah, I took them off yesterday already because I'm getting them done again. I think this weekend. Y'all will see my nails in the next video after this one, okay? But they're gonna be tea. Very, very much excited, period. I'm gonna go ahead and read off my list to you guys so you guys can know what I'm gonna be doing. First things first, I want to shave my face and my eyebrows. So like the little microblading and stuff like that. And then I want to do a face mask because I got some face masks and stuff like that. I've been getting them kind of and everything, and I just kind of like want to use it, you know what I'm saying? I want to wash my hair, y'all, because I feel like my hair has honestly been stinking. Like, it has a scent to it, and I don't like that. It's not a good scent. So we're gonna wash our hair, because last time I washed my hair was when I got it done, and that was August 2nd, and it's August 31st right now. And then I want to wash my clothes, because yeah, that's all I gotta say, girl. And then I want to do my lashes because I took them off. I just be having breaks. I just be having like prolonged breaks when I don't have my lashes on, and when I do have my lashes on, so I took them off. I think I took my lashes off on Friday morning, and so it's been like 2 days without my lashes. So after church and stuff like that, I'm gonna do my lashes. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the gym. None of this is in a specific order either. I want to let you guys know that, okay? After church, most likely. That's basically the list of today, I think. And then I'm probably gonna make another list tomorrow, but I'm not completely sure. It's 9:01 and I want to leave at 9:30, so I only have a little bit of time to get ready, which is perfectly fine with me because I don't really gotta do a lot. I took a shower last night. I'm just gonna get dressed and I'm gonna do my skincare, do a little bit of my hair, like wet it and stuff, and then I'm gonna dip. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so right now I'm in the car ready to go to church right now. So I think I'm gonna see you guys when we get out of church because we're gonna go to a restaurant. Bye y'all. Hi guys, so it's after church. I do want to I feel like I'm always I want to get into what I talked about and stuff like that after church, but I never end up talking about it. I'm still waiting for my food, but I just wanted to get my camera because we're gonna be here for a minute, so I might as well bring my camera. I love the conversations that I have here, and I love these people. I love everybody at this church, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah guys, I'm still waiting for my food, but let me show you my mom's food. I'm gonna check back with you guys when I get my food. I just don't want to leave it in the car because it's really hot in the car, and I don't want my camera to overheat. We just finished eating. Oh, it's kind of hot. I don't know why I wore this today. That's the real question, but it's okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I get home, you guys. I really don't know. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna see you guys when I get home. Hey guys, so I'm back at home right now. We went to Dollar Tree after church, so I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of a haul of what I got. I'm gonna do this real quick because I feel like this thing is still coming off my camera. So first things first, I got some yarn. This is Red Heart yarn, It's actually very soft and it's acrylic, so yeah, I'm gonna most likely, I've been thinking about making a blanket. Second thing I got is a eyelash curler. And some being more like a natural lash, kind of girly, especially like on my breaks from lashes. I definitely need something like this to curl my lashes with. I already have an eyelash curler, but it's electric. Sometimes I don't be having time for all that. And then the next thing that I got is some nail polish remover. I hope it works. I should have got some acetone, but they didn't have any. And then this next thing that I got is some cuticle oil. I feel like I want my nails to be more like healthier. This stuff better work, y'all. Serious. The last thing that I got, guys, are these rose gold pins. I need this for work because I have a lot of stuff on like the walls of my cubicle because I'm trying to like remember them. I've been having like Bible verses and stuff like that on my walls to like remind myself. They're all from Psalms, y'all. I'm literally a Psalms girly. But yeah, guys, that was basically the haul. That was basically all I got. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little section of the video. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the gym. I'm not gonna take you guys with me because when it's like a glute day and I gotta put my camera places where you can see me and it's the whole thing, and I don't think that will benefit me right now. I'm gonna go ahead and go now, so I'll see you guys when I get back. Hey guys, so I'm back from the gym. If you guys can't tell already, got a little arm workout in. I feel great. I'm so glad God is taking me out of my laziness without me even realizing it, for real. I just feel the need to do stuff. I don't want to relax until I'm done. Thank you, Jesus, because I used to struggle with laziness like bad. I'm trying to like discipline myself now to where I'm not on my phone so much, where I'm not just scrolling endlessly hours on hours on TikTok, because that stuff is like affecting me and I can feel it. So I'm like, okay, I need to stop watching this stuff. I need to stop. I need to take a break. There's some times when I can, you know, scroll, but I don't have to do it for hours upon hours upon hours. God is changing me, y'all. I love God so much, truly. Like, he's the only one that I don't want to lose, literally. I could lose my family, I can lose everybody on the planet, but as long as I got God, I am straight. I got nothing to worry about. God is he's gonna give me everything I need, whether it's physical, spiritual. He's gonna give me everything I need to live, survive, have patience, peace, happiness, kindness. He's gonna continue to provide for me, and that's what I love about God, dude. Like, he is always providing for me, even in the times where I don't realize he's providing for me, or even in the times where I'm too focused on the situation that I'm in, where I'm not even realizing that he's still providing for me. He's still working. If you haven't met God, truly, meet him. He is a wonderful God, I'm telling you. He really, really is. He's such a provider. He's so gentle. He's so patient. He's so gentle and patient. I just love him. He is the best father I could have asked for, and I love him deeply for that. Anyway, I'm about to go ahead and get in the shower because I gotta wash my hair. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. I do not like my hair after I get out the shower. I do not like my hair after I wash it, because after I wash my hair be looking like I need a retwist. There's so many products in my hair right now. This needs to get washed. It's begging for it. Thank God, truly, because after church and going to dinner, I would have went to sleep. God is literally changing me. He's changing me so good, and I love that. Note, y'all, I went to sleep at like 11 p.m. last night. I got up at like late 7 or early 8, and I started reading my Bible, and then I got ready to go to church. I went to church, went out to eat, went to the gym, and now I'm about to get in the shower and wash my hair. Let me show y'all the mask that I'm about to put on my face too. And while I'm showing y'all the mask, I might as well show y'all a little gift. Y'all, I have not opened this up, and I received this last Sunday. I received this. This is so beautiful, guys. Like, y'all, this is gonna be like my daily jewelry. Yes, it's going in here. And then the second thing that I got is this book. It's called Holiness. I don't know when I'm gonna read this. I'm not really a book person. I mean, I am a book person. Like, I like reading, but the only thing that I've been reading is my Bible, and that's the issue. It's not a bad thing, of course, but like, I have Atomic Habits. I was reading that a little bit and then I stopped. That was last year. Think about it. And then I told my grandma to give me a book, and she got it for me. I was trying to reading it, but then I just stopped. So yeah, and now I have a third book to read. I don't know when I'm gonna read these books. I genuinely need to start reading other books other than the Bible. Like, I can read the Bible, of course, but I need to exercise my brain more to reading more things. I'm gonna try this mask. I think I'm gonna wash my face, put this mask on, then I'm gonna do my skincare. I'm not gonna show you guys me washing my hair and stuff like that. If you guys want to know like what I do for my hair care routine, there is a video on that on my channel already. I'm gonna go ahead and go now. I'm like getting in the shower and stuff like that, and then I'll come back with you guys when I'm putting on the face mask. Hey guys, so this is literally the next day. I put on the mask, you guys. I did end up shaving my face, and it looks really nice and great and better than it did previously. So right now I only have two more things that I want to do, which is my eyebrows and my eyelashes. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is my eyelashes. For my lashes, I'm going to use this kit from Janaea. I did want to go ahead and do a cat eye look, so I did go ahead and look up some maps that I could do that will like really make my eyes look good. This is the pictures that I ended up taking. Very cute. I'm very excited. So I think I'm going to do the first one, which is 14, 16, 14, 12, 12, and 10, and that's gonna be the map that I'm gonna be doing. Yeah guys, let's go ahead and put these lashes on. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my lashes. They look so good, guys. Like, I'm so happy with how this turned out. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get these stuff for my eyebrows. I'm probably not gonna do them right now, but when I do them, I'll be back with you guys, okay? Hello folks, how are you guys doing today? So yo guys, so I'm just now doing my eyebrows. My apologies, it's literally the third. Let's go ahead and get into these brows. So for right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush them up so we can get all like the extra hairs and stuff, just to like make sure like we have a good canvas to go off of. Brush them up and then get my razor and then just like go up on it. I'm not explaining what I do, but you see what I'm doing, right? Also y'all, I do want to put a disclaimer. I don't know what I'm doing. I have not done this by myself, okay, at all. If they come out bad, y'all, don't follow me, okay? Just, I mean, subscribe, but like, don't follow my footsteps, please. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this tint on. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm scared. Oh my gosh, okay. Go to the other side. Okay, but these are honestly eating. Y'all. Okay, period. I'm gonna keep my eyebrows done, y'all, because I literally cannot stand doing my eyebrows every single day of my life. I can't. I need dark eyebrows. I need them. So now I have to get like the seal for my eyebrows. But yeah guys, so I just finished my eyebrows. They look so good and I know that they're gonna be so tea for the rest of the week, period. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off right now since I finished everything that I needed to do to glow up and like get ready for the new month, y'all, since it is September. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every single time I post a new video. And yeah guys, bye.